Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Desktop. Whether you've recorded a duplicate deposit by mistake or need to remove an incorrect entry, knowing how to clean up your accounts properly is essential for maintaining accurate financial records. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on the Transactions menu. This is your hub for managing all financial activities within QuickBooks, from expenses to income tracking. From the Transactions menu, you'll want to select Chart of Accounts under the Accounting section. The Chart of Accounts gives you a comprehensive view of all your financial accounts, making it easy to locate the specific account where your deposit was recorded. This is where you'll drill down into the details of your banking activity. Now find the bank account where the deposit you want to delete was originally recorded. Once you've located it, double-click on that account. This action opens the account history, allowing you to see a detailed register of all transactions that have occurred in that account. It's like opening a digital ledger that tracks every movement of money. Next, scroll through the register or use the search function to locate the specific deposit you want to delete. QuickBooks makes this fairly straightforward, but if you have a lot of transactions, using the search feature can save you considerable time. Look for identifying details like the date, amount, or pay name to ensure you've found the correct entry. Once you've found the deposit, click on the deposit entry itself. This opens up the transaction details, giving you access to more information about that specific deposit and the options available for managing it. Here's where you can review the deposit one more time before taking action. In the transaction details window, look for the delete option and select it. QuickBooks will then ask you to confirm the deletion by clicking yes when prompted. This confirmation step is important as it prevents accidental deletions and ensures you're certain about removing the transaction from your records. After you confirm the deposit is now removed from your records, your account register will update immediately, reflecting the deletion and adjusting your account balance accordingly. This keeps your books clean and accurate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.